In this video, we're gonna check out the most expensive room I can book in Treasure Island. And off we go. Checking in, please.
Okay, Leslie. On floor 28, down this hall to your left.
I'm here in Treasure Island, Las Vegas, and we're here to check out this room. It's the Tower Suites. It's the most expensive room I can book here. Let's check out this room. Once you enter, on your left is this nice looking sun mirror design, which I really like. It's a good aura. And on your right is like a minibar. And across the minibar is your living room. From the living room, let's go check out the room now. Then here you have another lounging area and your TV and some cabinets. A very spacious room. On the right is the king-size bed here at Treasure Islands. For sure, we'll test it out. I think this bed it's not the perfect bed, but it's good enough. From 1 to 5, I think it would be 3. I really like the material they use for the bed sheets. It's like satin. The pillows though are too thick. Like, what the heck? Why are they so thick? It's hard to sleep on it, but it's good to hug it. I like that the restroom here is not right at the entrance of the door. It's very much of a suite. It's actually in the bedroom and you have 2 sets of restrooms. Let's check it out. This restroom has the cabinet, so it's like a walk-in closet. It also has the lavatory. Your shower room. Very gold. Let's check out the other restroom now. This restroom is actually bigger. It also has the cabinet. Lighting. You can find your lavatory, jacuzzi, it's kind of like his and hers, but this restroom is mine. The view is amazing too. I hope you enjoyed this view of the Tower Suites. I'm actually going to Meow Wolf later. So if you want to see that, please don't forget to subscribe. And please, I welcome comments, suggestions any time of the day. Thanks for watching. See you later and off I go.